Howdy, partner. Like playing in the sewer, do ya?
I see you've released the zombies. Good luck with that. May the stink be with you.
See ya, sweet cheeks.
Together